Some of you watching this are high functioning. You're working, you're stable, you're capable, but after your brain injury, something shifted. Your pace changed, your energy changed, your capacity changed. You're not broken, but you're not fully aligned either. And here's the truth, you don't need more content, you need recalibration. When I rebuilt my life after my injury, it didn't happen by accident. It required environment, space, structure, a nervous system reset, distance from noise, and intentional rebuilding. That's what changed everything. Not motivation, not therapy, environment and structure. So here's what I'm opening. 2 founder pilot spots, just 2, for a private 5-day brain comeback reset here in Valle de Guadalupe, Baja California, only 60 miles south of the San Diego border. This is not a retreat, not a group workshop, not therapy. This is private, one-on-one, 5 days, structured recalibration. Grounded mornings, movement on the ranch, identity work, capacity rebuilding, clear daily rhythm, ranch breakfasts, 1 smoker dinner night, hills, coast, space to think with no hype, no chaos, no pressure, just structured reset. This is for high functioning brain injury survivors, TBI, stroke, concussion. You're stable, you're not in crisis, but you know something feels misaligned. You've outgrown generic advice. You don't need saving. You need correct rebuilding. Founders Reset, $7,500. 2 spots only. That's it. This is a pilot container. Not everyone will be accepted, and that's intentional. If this resonates, don't comment your story below. Send me a private DM with the word founders. If we're aligned, I'll send you a private application. If it's a fit, we schedule a call. Simple. This isn't about becoming who you were. It's about building who you are now. Your capacity changed, not your character. Let's go.